morning, everyone. Tough night last night for me. Kayla slept like a baby, as usual. Woke up, thought I'd make Kayla some coffee, but she's got more energy than I thought she'd have. So she's all ready to go, and we still have coffee, so that's great. Little update of what we did last night, or what happened to us last night, was, it's the first time we've ever been stopped by a police officer. He came up to us and was like, "What are you guys doing over here?" And we're like, "Well, we're in the designated parking spot of this Cracker Barrel, and we're just campers." And he was just like, "No shit. All right, cool. You guys have some fun." And we're like, "All right, cool." And then in the night at about 3 o'clock, at the Cracker Barrel, the semis came to restock the shelves and everything, and that was really loud. And then another one came at 5 o'clock, and then at 8 o'clock this morning, people just parked right next to us and blared their music, and then left.
I think they were trying to wake us up.
They did a really great job. So I woke up kind of grouchy as usual, because we're not morning people. I think it's gonna be a better day. Kayla is being optimistic.
We're at Bar Louie. We're really hungry.
It might not look like it, but it's actually really good weather here.
Yeah, it is. Can't really see very well in the video, but we're taking a incline type of transportation system.
So we parked in this really great spot with this beautiful skyline, but we didn't know behind us were train tracks. Have this really beautiful view of the skyline behind the train tracks. We're gonna hear trains all night, Kayla.
Morning. Actually, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We slept really late today, but we needed it. We're still in Pittsburgh. We woke up and I'm kind of stressed out because we're running into some problems with the fridge and the generator, unfortunately. Or the battery, actually. It's not a generator, it's a battery. But yeah, I'm kind of getting annoyed at it because it's been cloudy and we haven't been getting enough power in our battery to charge our fridge. So our fridge is off, or it's at 50 degrees, which is not cold enough to cool food. And it's stressful because it's we have to throw away food that's perfectly fine, or has gone bad, and it should be perfectly fine. But so we're looking into options for buying a different fridge, but I think it's the battery, like Jack said.
When we calculated getting our fridge and our battery on what we were gonna do, we didn't account that it was gonna be cloudy once in a while. So the fridge works really well, and the generator works, or the generator works really well. But it's just we're not pulling enough power from the sun because, it rains sometimes.
Yep, or it's overcast sometimes, or it's
foggy.
It's stressful though.
So we're on our way to Titusville, Pennsylvania. We just passed a sign that said, "Free kittens, end of lane." We had to stop. We're not getting a free cat, so I feel bad just saying, hey, we're not gonna actually get a cat, but shit.
Wait, maybe we shouldn't do this because
we don't want to get their hopes up.
Yeah, and also I don't want this to be a long conversation because I do have to go to bed.
You and your poops,
I have to poop. I have to go poopy.
So Kayla panicked, and
we're turning around.
we're turning around.
Because I don't want to stay for super long, so I have to poop. And I really don't want to get their hopes up. I don't know, and talk to them for a long time. So then we had to talk about our trip. And oh my gosh, I thought that was a kitten.
You thought that was a kitten? That's an old woman.
Turn left onto Horn Road.
No, there is a friend.
Sorry.
Bye.
Bye, sorry we went the wrong way. We actually didn't go the wrong way. Kayla just panicked.
Well, should we go back? Do you want to?
Well, we can't turn around again.
Yeah, we can. Do you really want to see a kitten?
But like, I feel bad because like we're not getting a kitten. If they were like puppies, then you know,
That would be different.
free puppies. Would you say yes to a free puppy?
Oh my god, maybe.
It's free. It's a van. It's a van dog. Would you say yes to a free puppy?
We've had to rearrange a ton of stuff around here and make sure there's a spot for him or her, the puppy. Would you? It depends, like if it has its shots and everything. Like
It wouldn't have its shots. We'd have to do everything.
Yeah, that'd be expensive, I think.
But it's a free puppy.
Yeah, that'd be insane.
What breed would you have to? Would you say yes to?
Horn Road for 1 mile.
Australian Shepherd.
Because they said free Australian Shepherds.
I'd be like, oh my god, meant to be.
You'd get one.
As long as it's not too big, like it can't get too big.
Comment down below if you saw a free puppy sign. What kind of dog would it be for you to just impulse get a free puppy? Yeah, just let us know. Because actually, I'm kind of curious now. So we stopped in Titusville, Pennsylvania to just get a sticker. And we went to Drakewell History Museum, I guess. And it was closed. And the lady was like, hey, what are you doing here? And I was just like, oh, we're here to just get a sticker. Our last names are Titus, and we thought we'd just get a sticker. We're on a year-long road trip. She was like, okay, and we got this sticker, and she gave it to us for free because she was like, why did you come to Titusville, Pennsylvania? We're gonna slap this thing on. Thanks, lady. Shout out to the lady who gave it to us for free.
So we are in Allegheny National Park in Pennsylvania. Sorry, I cannot pronounce that. I just want to tell you guys what we're doing. So we made some soup, Bear Creek, best brand.
So good.
Sponsor us.
Sponsor? No, honestly, no, seriously.
I'm just kidding.
Bear Creek, please sponsor us.
Playing some cards with Kirby cards. I just want to let you guys know what we're doing right now, and like, it has been a hard couple of days. And I feel like I keep saying that because the van has been like crapping out at times. You know what? I just need to stop talking.
Why don't we just not vlog? Let's just do it. Let's just have the day. And we'll talk about this tomorrow. We'll be like, hey guys, we just had a really good night.
Because I'm in the moment I want to document it.
Okay.
Even though I can't document it. That's the point I'm trying to make. What I want to say is, had a hard couple of days. Moments like these and nights like these are why we film and why we do document, because there are undocumentable moments that like keep us going. If that makes sense. Like there are priceless moments that we cannot explain, we cannot put into words, we can't draw or write or anything. It doesn't look like much. This is the epitome of like a priceless moment that I can never get back and that I could never repeat because it's such an amazing moment. So I just wanted to document this, even though it's really hard to. It doesn't look like much. It doesn't look like glamorous and amazing and like...
Some nights you just sit down, make a pot of soup, and you play some cards. We're in a really great spot, and we have this gorgeous view that when the sun comes over it, it's going to be amazing. And we'll show you guys that, and that's going to be really, really cool. Unless it's just cloudy tomorrow. But anyway, it's going to be beautiful anyway.
There you have it.
It's good.
It's not perfect. It's real life, but it's like, it feels like a perfect moment. You can't catch on camera, even though I'm trying to right now, but you can't. So that's why I'm explaining it more than showing you.
It's true. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, do you want to do it?
No, you do it.
Ready? this sticker right here. I promised myself that I would only put it on the van once I made my first fire. I feel like I earned this.
We had a good time at Allegheny National Forest, if that's how you say it. It's in Pennsylvania. Right now we're driving to Philly.
We're going to Philly!
Yeah! We're excited to see some history and some museums and whatever else is in store for us.
Some people are like, oh, so what are you guys up to? What are you doing? Oh, camera change.
That's better.
What are you guys up to? What are you guys doing? Like, we haven't seen anything. Well, let me tell you one thing. What are we doing? We don't really know. That's kind of the beauty of this trip is we don't know where we're going, and we just kind of take it day by day. We're not sure if we're going to New York because weather's been all crazy, and we're kind of winging it. So today we're going to Philly. Oh hey! Didn't see you there. This is a perfect opportunity to tell you guys that this video has been sponsored by Armitage Homes. Scott Armitage is an amazing general contractor that really helped us out making our bed. Look at this, look how nice it slides. Ooh, so nice. If you are looking for a general contractor in the cities, check out Armitage Homes. Link is in the description below. So we rolled into Philadelphia today, Philly, and we got an authentic Philly cheesesteak. That was awesome. Parking was crazy. There's like, oh, there's street parking everywhere, but there's no street parking anywhere. So we're back again at a Walmart, unfortunately, but you know, we can't park at national parks all the time. You know?
Honestly, like, God bless Walmart.
God bless
because
Walmart.
if it wasn't for Walmarts, we would be screwed. Like, we'd be fucked.
That and Cracker Barrel. Thank you, Cracker Barrel.
Yeah, thanks, Cracker Barrel.
We're gonna figure out what's going to happen tomorrow.
All right, I'm gonna head to Chestnut Street Philly Bagels. I'm gonna get a rainbow bagel. Cake batter, cream cheese, and a tie-dye bagel. Yum.
Can I get a bite?
Of course.